this video, I will shout out everybody who comment me. The first one I will shout out is Suzy Homemaker 08 and shout out to Norborn and shout out to Sunshine Shane W5X and shout out to Akishama Teo 5140 and shout out to Oxo Cielalala and shout out to Anthony Bersabe G8M and shout out to Mang Valieno Vlog 7138 and shout out to Alma Lamban and shout out to Loida Magbanua YX2QL and shout out to Naruto Sasuke D9F and shout out to Natalie White Parsons and shout out to Donielin Guevan B5T and shout out to Decafes 9698. 3 weeks ago, they shout out me. They comment me. And shout out to my first one that who comment to me, Exian Galindez in my channel. Bro, just first one that shout out, that comment me. Then the second one is AdML BGBIG. Bye. Ooh.